Exciting delivery today. My Boost Surfing powdered motorized fin arrived today. Electric surf fin. I was getting worried about this particular Kickstarter, but actually came through. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now my particular box has a markered B3 indication on it. Don't know what that means, but it's probably some internal code for something or other. I am a Kickstarter backer, so maybe that's backer group 3, or maybe it's something completely different. Welcome to the team. Let's get started. Alright, there's the actual fin. It looks almost purplish as opposed to white. There's definitely kind of an iridescent sheen to that I would call a violet or purple. But I don't care, I'm putting it underwater so the color doesn't really matter. Assuming there are accessories, yes. Alright, that was an awful lot of wrapping for a quick start guide. Aha! That looks like something important. Looks like a cover. Looks like it's keyed to go in there and then slide back. I'll have to read the manual before I start pushing things. It might need to go in this way. I want to make sure it can come out before I put it in. But yeah, so it has a little cover on the back there if you are worried about that. Quick start guide. Has a adapter plate, I believe, for some type of specific surfboard or stand-up paddleboard. A screwdriver with a, looks like just a hex tip there. And a metal backing plate and a screw, which I assume has something to do with mounting. And I believe this is the basic remote, which has, I don't know if it's 2 buttons on it or 1 button. And here is the power supply. This is a output of 25.2 volts, 1.5 amps, 37.8 watts, universal 100 to 240, 50-60 hertz. And it looks like it comes with adapters for good old US of A, and looks like Europe. And I believe that is everything in the packaging. Alright, I'm at step 1. Everything supposed to be in the box is in the box. Power adapter, boost fin, remote control, longboard adapter, and screwdriver. Charging the fin, step 2. So plug it in, make it charge before you do anything with it. Alright, to charge it, remove the rubber plug. Insert the charging cable. And wait. There is a light here on the charger that's red. When it turns green, you should be charged. It says 2.5 hours max. The only thing I can find in the quick start guide about the safety guard here is number 4 under precautions. To maximize safety, install the safety guard included in the packaging to avoid any potential damage in case anything gets into the propeller area. So it just goes in and twists. It looks like it should go this way with the bigger end at the back, but there's definitely little nubs it's supposed to be snapping over there. There, I heard a little snap there, and it's in place. Feels pretty good. I don't think it'll come out easily. Not included in the regular box, but something they threw in the shipping box to me, probably because I'm a Kickstarter backer, is a boost cap. And also, I purchased this guy here, which is the stick-on fin box, because I'm planning on using this for something a little non-traditional. I went on the Boost website And when you buy the stick-on fin box kit, it's supposed to have a white adapter that's kind of like this that hooks to the boost but doesn't have this thing that will slide into it. And then also some waterproof adhesive that you stick to the back of this and stick it on whatever you're using. So mine came with just this guy. I'm a Kickstarter backer. It's possibly they maybe just haven't manufactured the rest of it, so they only sent me this, or maybe their shipping company had a mistake and didn't put everything in that they were supposed to. But I'm missing, kind of the important half of this thing to stick in there. While waiting for this guy to charge, I figured I might as well weigh it. It is 1.2 kilograms or 2.714 pounds. And as it's charging, it's just slightly warm. Nothing concerning, but you know there is a little bit of power going in there and being lost as waste heat. Alright, the red light was really bright. The green light, however, is quite dim, so you have to be in line to see it. So we are charged. Let's get going. Before you put this in the water, it's very important that this plug gets very nicely positioned in there to completely block all water ingress. And it said in the video that I saw that the thing should go down deeper, like have a gap around the outside here. Okay, then it didn't include all the parts I needed for the stick-on fin mounting, so I can't install the fin. So next step is switching arm. And they provide a nice little magnet in here. There's a logo there, supposedly. You hold this near that thing. Oh, and it turns on. It's supposed to be green. I think I'm supposed to hold it for a while. Okay. Now it's green. Okay. Green light, 100 to 80% charged. Okay, I need to connect to the boost fin with the remote, and that's paired with the Boost Fin app, which I got from the Google Play Store. My device is turned on. It wants to need my location. We found the Boost Fin. That's good. Pair to it. Okay, device name, Boost, seems reasonable. Alright, there's a lot of options here. Well, let's go to remotes. Remote number 1. Connect new remote. Well, no, it looks like it has a remote already, maybe. So I don't need to connect a new remote. It looks like it might be good to go. And there's a lot of settings in this app. So short, you can set your speed and power and so forth for a custom setup. For long, it says 50%, duration 2 minutes, so I could change that if I wanted to, I assume. And let's see, extra settings. Shut down after 30 minutes, seems reasonable. Factory reset, disconnect fin. So, I think I'm set up. Alright, it looks like the remote control was already paired with it. I have unpaired it, just so you can see how the pairing procedure works. Hit connect remote. Okay. Blah. Connect. Press the short button. So that's this side here. Okay, remote not found. We'll try again. Press one of the buttons on the remote. Okay. Well, that didn't seem to do anything. Let's try to read all the instructions. Alright, I'm running into a little bit of trouble getting my remote paired with the fin here. So the fin is talking to the phone, and there's no remote paired. It has the flashing blue light. It says connect remote. So I push the connect remote button, and then I've read all that text. Push the button. So I push that button, and this thing just keeps flashing. I heard the button click, and I've confirmed I'm supposed to push, not push and hold. So I'll try again. I'm going to try with the other button, and it's just flashing. And I've tried this several times. I've tried pushing and holding and so forth, and it just never seems to connect.